Do you know that the astronomers find mysterious cavity in space and the spherical void is 500 light-years wide? The research team from the Center for Astrophysics at the Harvard and Smithsonian believe that the new finding suggests that the Perseus and Taurus molecular clouds are not independent structures in space. Astronomers studying the vast reaches of the Milky Way galaxy have discovered a gigantic cavity in space, a sphere-shaped void located in the sky among the constellations Perseus and Taurus. The cavity spans nearly 500 light-years and was likely formed by an ancient supernova that went off some 10 million years ago. The latest discovery was done as astronomers were going through 3D maps of the shapes and sizes of nearby molecular clouds. The mysterious cavity is surrounded by the Perseus and Taurus molecular clouds, regions in space where stars form. Astronomers have named the cavity Pertau shell. The study published in the Astrophysical Journal Letters states that the Pertau shell offers the first 3D observational view of a phenomenon long hypothesized theoretically, molecular cloud formation and star formation triggered by previous stellar and supernova events. The research team from the Center for Astrophysics at the Harvard and Smithsonian believe that the new finding suggests that the Perseus and Taurus molecular clouds are not independent structures in space, but rather, they form together from the very same supernova shockwave. Hundreds of stars are forming or exist already at the surface of this giant bubble. We have two theories. Either one supernova went off at the core of this bubble and pushed gas outward, forming what we now call the Perseus-Taurus supershell, or a series of supernovae occurring over millions of years created it over time. Shmuel Bialy, a postdoctoral researcher at the Institute for Theory and Computation, ITC, at the Center for Astrophysics, CFA, who led the study, said in a statement, "Mapping the universe. The universe is expanding, and so is the human technological reach to the vastness of the cosmos. The latest findings are the result of a 3D map of the bubble created using new data from Gaia, a space-based observatory launched by the European Space Agency, ESA. Researchers at the Max Planck Institute for Astrophysics in Germany conducted a study of the bubble by dust reconstruction and created the 3D maps. The maps represent the first time molecular clouds have been charted in 3D. Previous images of the clouds were constrained to 2 dimensions. Catherine Zucker, a postdoctoral researcher at the CFA who led the APJ study, said, "We have been able to see these clouds for decades, but we never knew their true shape, depth or thickness. We also were unsure how far away the clouds were." Catherine Zucker, a postdoctoral researcher at the CFA who led the APJ study. She added that astronomers have tested these theoretical ideas using simulations in the past, but this is the first time we can use real, not simulated, 3D views to compare theory to observation and evaluate which theories work best.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.